Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel we have got issue 30 of Build the Terminator by Hachette Partworks. We finally got it. It wasn't in my newsagents on Wednesday, so I couldn't put the video out Wednesday, but we've got it now. We're going to be continuing our left shoulder. Let's take a quick look inside the magazine. These are the parts we get. Not many today, only 2 parts and 3 screws. So it's going to be a fairly quick issue. This is what we're going to be doing. We've done it all before on the right shoulder. Our sci-fi cinema legends is Time Cop, and our real world science is the history of time part 1 and what's coming up in next week's issue. So without further ado, let's get these parts open and start doing issue 30. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our packaging. As you can see, there's not many parts to this issue. So first things first, we're going to be bringing back what we had left over from the last issue. All we're going to be doing is taking this piece here, we're going to be putting a little bit of glue around each of these pins, and then we're going to be sticking that onto here. So let's get some glue. I've already put some in a little pot ready. Let's put some glue around there. I don't know what's going on in the partwork world in the minute, but a lot of issues from a lot of different companies. It's not just one company. You've got the Hachette Partworks, which do the Terminator and the Bismarck. Their issues are coming late, and you've also got the DeLorean, which is skipping issues as well. So that goes on there like that. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with. I don't know. So hopefully it's like a lottery. You don't know when your part's going to be here this week or next week. So I'll say it will be out when my next one will be out Wednesday. I don't even know if I'm getting it Wednesday. So yeah, so that's what you should be left over with after that bit. Now all we've got to do is put this piece just on top of there. We're going to be securing this in there with 2 screws. So let's get our screwdriver and get this put on. Yeah, it's crazy because some people who got their subscriptions today, they didn't get issue 27. So they were supposed to get issue 27, 28, 29 and 30, and a lot of people didn't get issue 27, saying that it's out of stock. So I don't know if they can continue with the build or not. Yeah, so that's what you should have after that. So let's take a look at what's coming up in next week's issue. Hopefully it comes out on Wednesday and we can continue doing it on Wednesdays. But yeah, so build the left scapula, or scapula, I don't know how to pronounce that word. Basically it's the shoulder blade, and continue the right shoulder. So these parts here will be for the right shoulder to go on the back. I'll just get that now so I can show you. Yeah, nope. I believe, so we've got this piece here on the front of here. I believe it's for the back here to go in here. I might be wrong. It looks like it though. But yeah, so I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please leave a like and a comment, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Just subscribe. It's one click of a button. You'll be notified of any video I put out. So yeah, the DeLorean will be out on Monday because I've already done the DeLorean video and I've scheduled it in for Monday. So that will be out on Monday. Hopefully this will be Wednesday. And yeah, I'll see you next time.